Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Arculus Wallet. The first thing I want you to do is launch up Coinbase, and then if you come here at the bottom and click on My Assets, you'll be at this page. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and click on Send. Now here, you can send any crypto. You can change this, of course, by clicking on this, change your cryptocurrency. You enter your amount right here. And what is important now is the two sections. So here you enter the wallet address. So you just basically go to right here and paste in the address. You can go to your Arculus wallet and find that specific coin. If you don't have it, you can click on Manage Assets. Make sure it's toggled on. So let's say for Bitcoin, come here, click on Receive. So you click on it, you'll get this code right here, or you can scan this as well. So you copy the address, right? And then you come and paste it in, and then you enter the amount, and then you send it over. It's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.